So guys, we are now going to garden for day 3. I think this would be the last vlog on planting season in the garden, because honestly I already cleaned the garden and I already planted the crops on the area where I dug. So my only plan today is to go and burn the what do you call that? Burn the dead plants, then plant crops in it. I'll show you the seedlings later on when we started to plant, because honestly I don't know the other seedlings. I don't know their names. I don't know, but my brother just sent it here at our home for us to plant in our gardens, but I don't know what kind of plant it is. I don't know their name. So, and I know that they may be suitable to plant in the area where I dug, but I think they will just ruin the peanut, because I dug those area because I planted the peanut. So it is better to harvest first the other plants in it before harvesting the peanut, because harvesting the peanut requires digging all again the whole area that I dug. So all the crops that are planted in that area would be affected. So I think I will not plant it in those area. Sorry guys, because even though I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I have a problem in uploading my videos. I don't know if the DICT is I know the DICT is in control of that Wi-Fi, but I don't know. I think it's in the cell phone, because I'm just using my cell phone. Even though the duration of the videos that I'm uploading is 10 minutes or negative 10 minutes, I have a hard time uploading it. So I think for other parts, I think in going to digging the vlog that I went to dig and plant crops in the garden, my day 2, it is only 3 days. 3 days have passed already, and still the videos that I'm uploading is still uploading. To be honest, it is far faster and better using my data, but it requires maybe 1,000 pesos to load the SIM card in order to have many gigabytes of data to upload the videos. Honestly, this past 3 weeks, it is continuously it has been continuously raining during afternoon and evening. So I'll only burn those that will be burned, and those that are not going to be burned I'll just throw them down. Yeah, I'll just throw them down because I need to plant crops in it. So that this would be my last vlog on going to garden. Of course, other than coming and just checking or cleaning its surroundings, something like that. But I think those would be later on, after I think 2 to 3 months. Yeah. So our plan is to come and burn those dead plants, then clean the surroundings up, then plant the crops. Then after that, I think, but first of all, I think I need to clean again the surroundings of these rice fields, because there are many pests living in those plants. So guys, it's already 7 minutes. I need to end the video now and update you. I'll just go and maybe I'll end this video and start recording again later on. I just need to go up, then start my record again. So guys, that's it. I don't know if starting when I started this vlog all you're seeing about my face is black because it is against the light. It's against the sunlight. So guys, that's it.